So today we're going to go over on how to replace an X230 laptop screen. I have with me a collar stay just to get underneath the bezel and a nifty mini screwdriver kit including flatheads to take out all the screws. So the first thing you want to do is take out the battery because you don't want to get electrocuted. Battery gone. Okay, open your guy up here, and then you have to access the screws to take off the bezel. So you can take your flathead screwdriver here, and you want to hit these points right here. Just a simple tab, push tab, to get them out. They're just, glued in there. Put that there. Okay. And now you have two screws. So take your other screwdriver. Okay, that's off. Next you want to pop the bezel. So this is where I'm using this. Just gonna run it along here. Or you can go like this, use your fingers. Okay, bezel's off. It's here. Okay, next. These 4 screws here, just gotta take them off. There you go. Okay, now flathead and carefully get the screen off. You notice here that we have a ribbon here. Mine's taped down, so take this off and pull. And that's a ribbon cable. And then that is it. Put the ribbon cable back in. Carefully insert it back. Okay, so before I put everything back together, I want to make sure our screen works, okay? Because if it doesn't work, then I need to take everything off again, and I don't want to do that. So, and there you go, it works. Okay, let's remove the battery. And now we can take off the screen protector very carefully. Okay. Put the bezel back on, you just snap it on. Put these screws back in these corners, the bezel screws. Put your tabs back. And then, let's try it again. And there we go.